Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we are unboxing a truly epic Bluetooth speaker. This is the EPICBOOM, an ultimate ear speaker with the classic UE speaker features, a magic button, which I'll talk about in a bit, and new sustainable components. Let's get into it. While we're unboxing, I wanted to take a minute to mention that this device has a 17-hour battery life and also uses its 3 internal speakers to create 360-degree sound using adaptive EQ. Now, once we're inside, the first thing we're greeted with is this handy setup guide. Let's set aside this documentation, and underneath we'll find a USB-C cable wrapped in some nice cotton-like material. If we pop open this pouch, you'll see that the USB-C cable also includes a handy Velcro strap for your desk organization needs. Let's go ahead and set all of this aside. Now we'll lift this recycled packing material and pull out the EPICBOOM itself. We can untape the top and slip off the paper bag, and here it is, a familiar design, but refreshed. The bottom of the EPICBOOM has an elegant speckled design. This speaker, by the way, is made of 59% recycled plastic. The built-in strap allows you to carry it for either a cozy adventure indoors or a rugged one outdoors. The speaker is IP67 waterproof, meaning it's completely protected from dust and water immersion for up to 1 meter. This little weather cover is to protect the USB-C port, which is used to charge the unit. Remember to close it if you plan on taking it on those adventures. Let's dive into the buttons. The top of the speaker is neatly labeled with this sticker, so let's go in for another peel. It's the best part of my job. To turn on the speaker, press the power button, this one on the left. The LEDs right above the volume buttons indicate battery levels. Looks like this one's charged. The Bluetooth pairing light will blink automatically. On your phone, scan for Bluetooth devices and pair with the EPICBOOM. This next button is an outdoor boost, which bumps up the volume and tunes to open spaces. The NFC button is used for one-touch pairing with Android devices. You can tap your NFC-activated Android phone near the N and follow the instructions on your phone to play music. You can easily switch between DJs by pairing other Android devices by NFC. Finally, let's talk about the magic button. Press it once to pause and play, press it twice to skip to the next song, and press it 3 times to rewind. Press it 3 times again, and it skips to the previous song. The EPICBOOM prompt will recommend downloading the Boom app, which you can find in the App Store on Apple devices or Google Play Store on Android. Once you've successfully paired, you can play music immediately, but downloading the Boom app will greatly expand the functionality between your speaker and your phone, like one-touch playlist, various EQ settings, and Party Up, which allows you to connect multiple UE speakers simultaneously. I hope that covers what's in the box when you get your EPICBOOM, and for more information or for any problems you have, check the description for links on how to set up your EPICBOOM or links to our support site. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.